Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl, Owen Company. Today we are going to be installing the Roll and Lock A-Series XT on this 2022 Chevy Silverado new body. Let's check it out. The A-Series XT combines the all-aluminum A-Series retractable truck cover that you know with Roll and Lock's T-Slot integrated MaxTrack system that allows you to customize your truck bed in a way that fits your personal needs. We got the box here. Let's go ahead and get it open and get to installing. And that is how you install a Roll and Lock bed cover. Hey, I found this retractable cover easier to install versus some other retractable covers. If you want to see an install of another retractable cover that I did, click the link in the top corner now. So there are a few common problems you can run into when installing this bed cover, but don't worry, there's a simple fix to any of them. If your cover is hard to pull or retract, just spray the supplied 303 on a rag and wipe the top and bottom of the MaxTrack. If the cover isn't latching, remeasure the track-to-track measurements. And finally, if your cover isn't reaching the tailgate, make sure the MaxTracks are back against the tailgate. And that is how you install an A-Series XT bed cover from Roll and Lock. We hope you gained some good insight on this, and I believe in you. You can do this yourself. It's not that hard. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to tune in every week for more truck-related content like this. See y'all next week. This. See y'all next week. Ha!